YouTube channel Mukesh TechUp. So today I'm going to discuss about the roadmap to understand pandas concepts. So pandas are very powerful. So if you are going and dealing with machine learning concepts and there you have a requirement for handling the large amount of data and you need to do some manipulations on the data, then we can use pandas. So pandas are very powerful. So today I'm going to tell how videos are going to design, what all are the concepts I'm going to cover inside that. So please have patience and keep watching. So I'll be going to cover one powerful concept that is called dictionary. So dictionaries are basically key value pairs. So I'm going to tell what is a dictionary, how we can create the dictionaries, accessing a dictionary and use of dictionaries within the data frames. After that I'm going to teach what is data frame, how to create data frame, how to access top values within the data frames, and what all are the manipulations we can perform on the data frame. After that, next concept would be accessing multiple columns from the data frames. So instead of one column, how we can pass the name of the multiple columns within the data frame, how we can retrieve the values. And next one is what is the use of log and ilog functions. After that I'm going to tell what is the index, how to set that index and how we can use that index. So index are very important concept. After that I'm going to discuss about the filter process, what all are the filters, how we can create the filters and how we can apply those created filters on the data frames, and what would be the advantage and what could be the efficient way of using filters. After that I'm going to cover updating rows and columns. So how to update rows within the columns and the changes which has been made by us on those rows within the data frame, how to save that. After that I'm going to cover how to add and remove columns, how to add extra columns inside the columns, how to add rows, how we can remove. So all these manipulations I'm going to discuss. And after that, the sorting, how to sort the data and what could be the advantage if we are using sorting. So that's all about the roadmap of the pandas data frames, dictionaries, filter, everything. These are the required concept if you are a data scientist or you are going to be a part of machine learning team. So these are the basics. So thank you guys, thanks a lot for watching this one. Thank you.